Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to study faster maths step by step. Start by timing short focus sessions and set clear micro goals for each topic. Mix practice problems with quick reviews of core formulas and concepts to build speed and confidence. Use past papers to simulate test conditions and track improvement weekly with simple notes. Keep it social by explaining solutions aloud to a friend or recording yourself for feedback. Break topics into small, manageable chunks and plan weekly targets you can actually complete. Prioritize weak areas, but rotate topics to avoid forgetting strong skills. Practice with timed problem sets and review mistakes immediately to prevent repeat errors. Use active recall and spaced repetition for formulas, definitions, and common techniques. Keep a progress log and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Change strategies monthly if progress stalls, and stay patient and consistent. Focus on understanding patterns and methods rather than memorizing isolated steps. Skim problems first to gauge difficulty, then tackle quickest solvable ones. Apply estimation to eliminate unlikely answers quickly in multiple-choice questions. Use templates for recurring problem types to cut down decision time. Practice mental math daily for basic operations to save calculator time. Record typical mistake patterns and create short drills to fix them during reviews. Stay calm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.